Cardano ADA to $1,000. Cardano ADA still undervalued. Cardano ADA news today. If you hold ADA or think about investing, what are the differences between ADA, Ethereum, and other smart contract blockchains, and one of the real things we need to look for to understand them as investments? And what specifically makes Cardano different? Why would you invest in Cardano and not BNB and not Ethereum? Also, why Cardano is still undervalued? To know all the answers, watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 31st of August, shall we? As non-fungible token creators consider minting NFTs on Ethereum unfeasible due to high transaction costs, Cardano offers a viable and low relative cost alternative on its mainnet. ADA rally continues as Alonzo hard fork event draws close. Input Output Hong Kong, IOHK, the blockchain development company behind Cardano, shared an update on August 26th outlining the final implementation in the launch of Daedalus, the full node wallet for native cryptocurrency ADA. Cardano price rallied over 30% in 2 weeks, and the announcement is driving the rally higher. ADA hit an all-time high of $2.95 last week, and analysts expect the altcoin to hit a target of $3. Benjamin Cohen, a cryptocurrency analyst and YouTuber, recently shared his analysis in a strategy session on the Video Network. Cohen highlights the correlation between Cardano and Bitcoin. If Bitcoin stays above 20-week simple moving average, SMA, Cohen expects Cardano to continue its price rally. The Cardano community now has renewed confidence in its smart contract launch on the mainnet following the updated announcement and the price rally. It's evident from a bet on the launch of smart contracts on the Cardano network. In an open betting pool on Polymarket, a global information markets platform, 81% of the participants are in favor of Cardano's mainnet launch. Up from 64% 8 weeks ago, now 81% participants are confident that smart contracts will arrive on Cardano's mainnet by October 1st, 2021. Analysts consider that Cardano price is likely to rebound strongly and target a new all-time high of $3.40. Now let's get back to the topic. If you're following Cardano, you know all about smart contracts. Bitcoin is number one, the largest store of value, the premier asset. But as we look down the top 10, we have Ethereum Binance Coin, which has many uses but is now a proxy for the Binance Smart Chain. Cardano at number 3, and then Polkadot rounding off the smart contracts blockchains in the top 10. Why then do smart contract blockchains make up so many of the top 10 coins, given that another 2 are actually stable coins? And what specifically makes Cardano different? Why would you invest in Cardano and not BNB, and not Ethereum? Well, luckily, we don't have to choose one, but smart contracts, whether it be on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Cardano, offer us so much more utility, and this is why I believe there are legs in these blockchains in addition to Bitcoin. What makes Cardano special? Firstly, on Cardano specifically, we have CNFT, which is Cardano's NFT marketplace. NFTs allow artists to protect their own copyright and possibly to monetize it for the rest of time. If Van Gogh or Picasso could have made their artwork an NFT, a trust set up in their name could have received a portion of the proceeds every time one of their artworks was sold, meaning that their family could benefit from their work for hundreds and thousands of years. Yes, right now most NFTs are stupid drawings and knickknacks. But do not discount these either, these are a piece of history. Only smart contract blockchains can support things like non-fungible tokens. But more than pixel art, NFTs are so useful for many other things, for example, your college diploma, your driving license, your achievements, your grades, and we'll get on to later how exactly Cardano is going to use NFTs for that purpose. Next, of course, we have decentralized finance, and in Cardano's case, we have projects like Occam and projects like Giro Wallet. It is essentially an app that will let you buy, store, send, receive, and swap any asset. Not just assets that are listed on Cardano, but it will be cross-chain, meaning any crypto asset has the potential to be swapped and sent using this wallet. Another huge advantage of Cardano is that it will be cross-chain, meaning that assets across different chains will have the ability to be sold, swapped, and sent over Cardano. As well, Bitcoin as a store of value asset is A1. It is the premier property, the premier digital asset. It is like bedrock, and it can't and shouldn't be changed often, if at all. However, smart contracts blockchains are the more likely buildings built on top of the bedrock, meaning they can change, and they can also adapt to the needs of everyone using them. So, for example, World Mobile Token is actually launching on the Cardano blockchain. And this project aims to bring low-cost data and a cellular connection to people across the African continent. Where does Cardano fit in then? First, Cardano will be used as the front-end blockchain and allow people to buy and sell data on the network. People can sign up with their wallet, confirm their identity with Cardano's ADA Prism, and even use Cardano and the World Mobile Token to pay for their data. Cardano Africa Investments. They really do have a different outlook on the projects built on Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. For example, Cardano has a focus on building its connections throughout the African continent, so blockchain comes of age in Africa. Cardano is investing multi-million-dollar deals with various government organizations across Africa. Recent Cardano 360 event, we got a great update on what Cardano is doing in Africa to push forward blockchain usage and adoption. Next, we got an update about how things are going in Africa. And if you're new to the community, back in April, there was a massive deal announced with the Ethiopian government and the Ministry of Education to bring on 5 million users using IOG's ADA Prism digital identity solution to track students' educational performance. They are now selecting which schools will be the first to deploy this technology and plan to have all the selected schools using this technology and the students on the blockchain by the end of the year. And John O'Connor mentioned a Haskell course that would be running in Ghana in January 2022, with the hopes that the course graduates can work locally with entrepreneurs and businesses to grow the community in this region. Everything sounds so positive for Cardano in Africa, but I personally see many roadblocks along the way. Africa is a huge continent, and it is incredibly fragmented in terms of the countries, the governments, and the people in charge. Even if one government is friendly and conducive to Cardano's infrastructure investment, that government could quickly change into one that actually doesn't want to work with Cardano. So there are definitely risks here. However, I do see this almost as a no-lose for Cardano. But yes, they would probably lose a lot of money and time if things did not work out as they planned. However, the Cardano blockchain is being built, and once it is built and up and running, it can be used in any country in the world, and by anyone who wants to use it. Ethereum has proven that if you build it, they will come, and that's what Cardano is doing right now. And even if specific deals in Africa that Cardano is getting into don't work out as planned, unleashing this technology into the world will create many positive aspects and victories for Cardano. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.